Hello and welcome back everyone to the next episode on SAP Generative AI training with AnubhavTrainings.com. In the last episode, we learned about how to deploy your first foundation AI model using SAP Gen AI Hub and AI Launchpad. In our today's session, we will talk about the first real-time use case implementation, which we did in our SAP Gen AI training using SAP Generative AI Hub and LangChain framework. You will see this demo of a citizen application where a citizen posts a review about the current infrastructure of the city online, and based on that we automatically create a ticket in the government system. So this could be a very helpful use case. So we will show you the demo application of this use case, which we built in our main training on anubhavtrainings.com. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So we were here in the step to improve the governance efficiency of a city or a country. And in order to do that, we are actually going to go ahead and design a solution which reads the social media post, gives it to an LLM system which identifies the sentiment, categorize the tickets, and prepare the data to post to SAP HANA Cloud. And then based on that, the central team would take an action on these tickets to decide whether this particular public work or civilian work requires an urgent attention and what's the user sentiment through the social media message. So that's the goal, the provided variables.
5 minutes later.
So it should have restarted, yeah, and that's the app. And to test it, you can take this URL now, copy that, come back, and then we can just pass the URL here to do the testing. That's the URL. And we can just change the name here. Let's say Rohan Sinha does a posting about bad smell of water. Yes. So let's say a foul smell from backwaters in our society at Kerala. So let me just create a Reddit post from the GPT only. So I'm going to go back to Chat GPT, create a Reddit post about, yes, with coordinates. Okay, great. So now it creates a simple Reddit post. Yes, and you can see it's just putting all the information, and there you go. So this is the post I can use to pass in here, and perhaps we have to just concatenate everything properly because it is not treating it as a string. Great. So that is our information. Great. So now this is the post from Rohan, which goes in on my service exactly. And I will trigger on our deployed app. And if there is something wrong, we will be going to get logs. And Wahala, it seems to be done now. It has executed. You can actually go back and check logs actually. So you can come back to logs, and whatever you printed, though that thing will come in. You see this insert statement have come. Yeah, we did this print. So it's showing that insert statement, everything is coming. You see the output from the LLM. Yes, you can check all these things in the logs in SAP BTP Cloud Foundry. Yes. So now we go back to Database Explorer, come to refresh, and voila, you can see Rohan Sinha Reddit post about the fall smell into the backwaters on a high priority negative sentiment with coordinates. So this is how the citizens would do the reporting, and all the tickets are going to get categorized and with the help of the brain of LLM and going to be posted into the system. Fabulous, fabulous. So that is my application. With that, thank you so much for watching this video with me today. If you feel this content is helping you, kindly subscribe and share this channel in the WhatsApp group of your company teams, and I hope to see you in my next episode. Happy learning. Till then, goodbye and see you again.